Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the door glass in this 2017 Ford F-150. And we show you with the glass not broken. Obviously, if your glass got broken, it'd be a little bit different. You just want to make sure that you clean out all broken glass and be careful. Hope you like this video. Please click subscribe. Also, for all your parts needs, check out the link in the description, 1AAuto.com. We have thousands of parts for many makes and models. And here are the items you'll need for this repair. Start up here, and sometimes you can do this by hand. The right tool is a plastic trim tool. Go in behind, pop the clips free, and you always want to pull straight out on it. Remove it. Now we're going to pull off this trim panel, and there is a little indent right here where you can fit a screwdriver through, and I force it right up and in. And then this is probably the most unnerving part. It takes a lot of force to pull this off, and I'm going to put my thumb here. Most of the time the thing's just going to go flying. And then we want to remove this panel in here. You got to get into this line here, which can be difficult sometimes. These plastic tools available at 1A Auto make this easy, and you don't mar up your interior. Pull out on the side a little bit. Get this hook in the top. You can see your two clips are there and there. And it comes up and out. Now you have a series of 7mm screws. One up here, two here with the large washers, two here, and then there's two down below, one here, and one back here. And we'll use a 7mm socket, ratchet, and extension to remove these 7 bolts. Now there's a series of pins that hold the panel in, so you need to pull the panel straight out. I start up in the top corner here because you can grab onto it easy. And again, just apply even pressure out. And work your fingers down. And the panel kind of comes up and off. Your door handle, very easy. It's a little tab, pull it down, and pull the handle off. And then your power lock, just a tab here. Push it in and down. And then your window switch, little tab here, push on it, down, and your panel's off. 4 7mm bolts hold the speaker in place. We'll remove those. Last one comes out. Little tab on your harness here. Push down. Disconnect the speaker. Then you'll pull the bottom out first. The speaker comes off. Carefully peel your water shield from the door. You want to try and leave all the stuff either on the door or on the shield itself. Peel it down so you can see in there well. So we're going to reconnect the window switch, and you remove it from the door panel either using trim tools, or if your door panel is off, you just push it up from the bottom and reconnect it to move your window up and down. Take your window, raise it up, and you may want to have somebody help you do this, but there are two tabs that you'll want to position so you can get to them. And the position of the window is going to be right about there. And we'll show you those two tabs. And remove this window channel. So it's easy enough to see this one. You just take a screwdriver, push on that tab, and then lift your window up. Out of the regulator. And just like on the front, the best way to get through it is just through this access hole. Just position the window perfectly so you can get in there, push it with the screwdriver, unlock the back of the window, and then go to the front. Unlock the front of the window. You can push the window up. Once you have it disconnected, push your regulator things down. Let the window go down. Tilt it forward. Push it a little bit further. Tilt it forward. And then you can pull the window up and out. And the window, put the nose down in first, and then make sure you're going to the outside of the regulator, and make sure you have the window properly in the rear channel. And you can slide it right down into your regulator, and it snaps in place. Put this seal back in place. This sweeps right against the glass. Turn your key on, run your window up and down a few times, make sure nothing's binding, make sure it all works properly. Reinstall your speaker, put the top in first, and then there's two pins that go in, and then use your 4 7mm screws and install. Tighten these up, and you don't want to get them firm but not too tight. Don't over tighten them. And reconnect your lead. Just something to keep in mind, there's a large alignment pin here that goes into this hole in the front here. And reconnect your door lock as well as your window switch. Make sure you plug it in the correct way. And then your door handle cable just goes in underneath and snaps into place. Then make sure that you push your lock button through and push the top towards the outside of the vehicle. And down on while you're kind of holding the bottom out. And then that front pin should go right in. Make sure all your other pins go in. So you should have about a 1/4 inch of a clearance all the way around. And then set all the pins. And I'm just going to reinstall my 7 7mm screws. Two of the smaller washers go in the lower holes, and the two with the larger washers go up around the door pull. And these ones in the door pull you want to get nice and tight, and the smaller black ones, just tighten them up firmly. Make sure your two plastic clips are in place, two metal clips. Put it on, just kind of look in behind, make sure the clips line up. Tab goes into the back. Push it back a little bit just to make sure everything lines up. And it goes back on much easier than it came off. And this one, two tabs at the bottom. Make sure they go in. And lock it in place. Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.